You've come to the right place.
Oh!
Today we play skate on the Salt Flats. So it's basically 900 million degrees. You can't see anything. You won't be able to see your board, and I'm pretty sure the salt is gonna be all stuck to your shoes, which is gonna make it really hard to grip. Look at that.
It's like snow.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, is it wet?
Let's see.
Ow, I've never gotten hit with a sandball before.
All right, if you're playing
today, dude, look at these.
Boop, boop, gee. We will. Yeah, you're trying to film a video?
If you lose, don't be salty.
we started salty. So does this have to be rolling? Because we can't really be rolling.
You gotta be rolling.
Thank you.
Okay, you ready?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa.
We are so off.
I'm first.
No,
first.
that was
3.
Yeah, got him.
okay. Now you guys go for last.
And that's 4 people. That's 4 letters.
Shoo. Shoo. Chris is the last one.
I'm first.
Ricky's first.
He's first.
Why we gotta move? Why can't we get to stand still?
The boy was made to roll, brother.
Oh.
Uzi's the judge.
Please.
No.
Whoa, whoa, what are you doing?
Rick's going first.
All right, my set.
Starting off strong with an ollie.
Yeah, you're gonna be flat spots.
Say goodbye to your bearings.
Oh, letter.
Yeah.
Letter! He didn't pop.
Oh.
If your opponent rolls, you have to roll. If your opponent does not roll. Okay, go ahead. Who's next? Mowgli with a sick ollie. How did you do that so stilo? Glow's like, I ain't using my own board. I'll use your board.
Sure, too.
Dang, he almost stuck. Yes, sir, Christopher McNugget.
Whoa, whoa, that's cheating. Salty.
My turn.
Throw it.
If he said stationary kickflip, we can set rolling kickflip too.
You just made your life a little bit harder. Now you gotta walk and go get your board.
No, he didn't. I'm telling you, you guys think, oh, it's just nice salty ground. No, it's hard as heck. Glow with the flow and the strategy for Mo. For show.
There goes riding the whip.
All right, ready?
Yeah! Oh, there's no music video.
Dude, this is crazy. I'm sweating and just standing.
Spin those tires.
I feel like I'm in Mad Max.
We are in Mad Max.
Oh! Your turn.
Guaranteed letter.
Oh, he got the sweet spot. Damn it.
Letter! Oh, he used your board?
Yeah.
He chalked it.
I know he did.
No, he salted it. Oh,
It's just
you
that.
could say he assaulted it.
I'm more worried about my bearings.
Okay.
Letter!
Glow on the set with the new set Glow boarder coming up.
Oh!
Watch your hands.
All right, let's try the kickflip.
Look at that.
Oh.
Everybody want to do a moving kickflip.
Hell nah.
Nope.
I tried to push out and I fell. He's being very strategic about where he pops because not only is it very salty, it's very cracky as well.
Oh!
Why did I wear all black today?
Oh! Yes.
More perfect. Perfect kickflip.
That right there is the epitome of the Salt Flats.
That should just be the intro. Oh, let's get
Oh! But he's looking drippy out there, so it's okay, you know?
Dang, you popped in a good spot.
I cannot believe he landed that. I thought everybody getting a letter there.
Oh, big.
Were you trying a varial flip?
Oh, he almost got a shit.
Someone just fall in the sand or in the
We did already, you monster.
No, I need full
But
fall.
isn't it weird that it's so flat? What's under here? Just
I know, can somebody who's watching this video please leave it in the comments below. What is this place?
Oh.
Did you just say lick it?
Yeah.
No.
Do it.
No.
He looking different.
Yeah. I hate you.
Oh. There you go.
How does Chris have so many pairs of glasses? God damn! Look at that man!
Let's go this hill flip.
Oh, there it is!
Finally, Gabe Cruz got his blood.
Yes. You know what no one's ever seen around these parts?
What ain't they seen?
Blood on the salt.
So I gotta do this rolling?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You're up, Mom?
Dude, you look like an NPC with those glasses on, bro.
You've come to the right place.
You look, I don't even know what you look like.
What could I help you with today?
He looks like.
Oh! Dang, that was good, bro.
Good move, Rick Ice. Good move.
Oh!
Wait, whose board is this?
Mine.
This thing easy to ride. No wonder y'all are doing so good. You should try a 775 on the salts.
Yeah! Almost slipped. Dude, I almost slipped off. Oh!
Well, I think you got to rebate that enough, Gabe.
Wait!
I missed it.
Gabe was filming Uzi
Hey,
for some odd reason. Just take as many times as you need to run it. He already landed it. We didn't film.
First try.
Yeah!
You know how we like our chicken? Without the bones!
But keep the skin.
Sorry, I promised them.
How do you have skin and no bone? As Skrillex says, there's a skeleton inside us all.
That's true.
Oh, that's some high speed. Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
There you go. There you go.
Yeah!
Oh!
What is going on?
Oh.
Got him.
Oh, you took
Yeah.
my gosh.
I did it regular.
I thought you were going switch bombs.
Oh!
Yeah! I'm on fire now.
I wish you guys could understand how actually hard this is.
Hey, $5.
Letter! Hey, Chris just got a letter.
My camera's broken.
Pay attention.
Don't get salty.
What the heck?
I realize these guys are popping here and it's making it easier. I'm going there.
Oh my God.
That's so hard.
It's basically impossible. I don't know how he did that. There's no grip on your shoes. There's no grip on your board. Your wheels don't roll. The ground doesn't roll. There's cracks everywhere and there's salt everywhere.
No pop.
Letter.
You can say that again. He can't even roll.
Whoa! My turn.
He would have landed that had he had the D3s on.
No way. That would have been insane.
Don't go light on him, Glaza.
I hope Australia's this hot.
Let me get an impossible.
Nice try, Rick.
If you want to understand how hard this is, look at how many attempts it's taken Ricky to land a pop shove it. Should I take him out? Take him out on offense?
I'm battling Pokemon Go.
Oh no! Dang it, Ricky! He went after me because I called him out on the offense, defense.
Oh, good.
Yes! I was like, if I get out on a pop shove it, I will. Yep.
Who needs grip gum when you got RV gum?
He did that. He done did that right there.
Man.
The little pop shove it.
I feel you. I feel that pain. Good choice, Rick. I'm not sure if I got this because you got to roll away switch on the salt, and you know what that means.
Need help tapping?
Oh! Rebirth! Rebirth! Yes, sir.
Ref?
Kind of a 540, but we'll take it.
Let's go!
I knew that was happening.
Oh!
Dang.
Ricky, I have a new level of hatred for everything you do. I think it might be getting a little easier because we're getting grooved in and there's getting a groove in there. How did you do that?
No pop, no pop. You hit the crack, you hit the crack.
Got you.
Mungo, push, 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
He's out of here. Get his sorry, salty.
All right. Ouch! This is the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted.
Shout out Dr. Eggman.
Oh!
It's good at this because it's like the flag ground in Bakersfield.
I don't mean to throw salt in the wound. Dang, that was popped though.
Hey, you dropped something.
Every time I get it. Oh, you're doing that? I thought you were throwing V-flip.
Hell no.
Wow.
His powers are weakened because there's no bugs out here. They all dead. He really tried to skirt that across this salt.
Oh!
Yeah! No.
Oh! Fakey back gazelle. Oh!
Should I run it back? I toe drag.
Oh!
That doesn't count. He didn't pop.
It definitely counts. Hey, that is the game. Plain and simple.
And on this day in the Salt Flats, we have the reigning champion, Mowgli Manuel Herrera. Ay, 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 ay. He fought hard. He fought well. He wants the salt to dispel the spell.
Oh, Dumb and Dumber. Right where you're skating too.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all those other videos right there. And you, yes you, if you're not learning how to ride a skateboard, get started right now. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.
Oh, God. What happened? Oh.